whatever color you want. This is awesome. This is the POWERASIA 12-pack of black smart recessed lighting. These are the ultra thin 6-inch LED recessed lights. They are 12 watts, 1200 lumens, and they are compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri. This was sent to me for evaluation purposes so I can show them to you, but all opinions are going to be my own. I actually got a 4-pack of different pots from POWERASIA a while back that I really liked, and they're very similar to these. They were nice. So as you can see, it comes packaged in this large box right here, and inside of the large box you're going to get 2 boxes of 6 each of these lights. You can see how they're wrapped and set up and ready to go. And right inside of each of the junction boxes, you just open it up and you have 3 push-on connectors that come with it, and they're ready to go. And I'll set this up for you, show you how easy it is. These lights use Bluetooth mesh technology, and you can connect up to 128 of them. You can also get these lights to follow along with the beat of whatever music you're listening to, which is kind of cool. These lights work with the Toya Smart app right here. You download it from the Google or Apple stores, and you go through the setup, then you just follow the instructions that connect them to the device. I'll show you how to do that, and then we'll go someplace dark and test them out. And once you get it set up, you can turn them on and off with the app. You can control them in groups. You can set up your own different setups. It's about 16 million different color combinations you can do, however you want to do it. So let me show you how easy these are to connect. Just going to connect them to some power here so that I can take them someplace dark. But I'm just going to go black to black, white to white, and I'm going to leave the ground off for the test. But these push-on connectors are pretty simple. Basically just push it in there. Simple as that. There's the black. Push this one in. There we go. They've given you a set of instructions here that show you how to set everything up. There's a QR code here and instructions that walk you through doing it. But I'm just going to try and figure it out on my own. That's what I do. So let me plug this guy in and see if it goes right into activation mode. Now it's blinking. It already sees it. So I'm connected to my router, wants my information, and added successfully. Awesome. So done. The junction box itself is about 4 inches by 2.5 inches, and we've got a knockout in the back. I mean, we've got one on each side here, just so you know. You punch that out, you run your wire through here, and everything stays inside of the box. So you've got 3 different knockouts on here. All right, I haven't installed these in the ceiling yet, but I put one up by the ceiling so you can get kind of an idea of what we're looking at here. So using the app, you can turn it on or off. These lights can produce warm white and cool white from 2700K all the way up to 6000K. So if we go in here into the color section, you can just move this thing around, whatever color you want. This is awesome. You can dim it if you like. Go into scenes, like we have the night scene, reading, working, leisure. This is pretty awesome. It's soft, it's colorful, dazzling. All kinds of different options you have in here too. If you go into more, there's a timer on here. If we go into music sync, here's where you can sync it to music. The brightness on here is adjustable from 5% to 100% brightness. I mentioned this before, but you can use Alexa, Google Assistant, or Siri to control the recessed lights with the sound of your voice. You know, this would be great if you're coming home with an arm full of groceries, obviously changing the lighting to a certain mood, or all kinds of scenarios where this would be a convenience. These lights are great for any room in the house, and I love them. Goodbye.